Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Java runtime errors are nightmares, but we can solve this fast by checking how we handle null objects in our current code. To avoid a runtime error when calling a method, we must ensure the object isn't null first. If the borrower is null, calling getName will crash your entire Java program. Option 1 fails because calling equals on a null object throws an exception immediately. Option 3 also fails because it tries to call a method on that null borrower object too. Option 2 is the safe choice because it uses the inequality operator to check the reference directly without calling methods on a null object. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps for option B.